Losing a loved one is hard. Here is your quick guide to Iowa probate.
Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, not legal advice.
What exactly is probate in Iowa? It is the legal process that occurs after someone passes away, legally known as the decedent.
It ensures their debts are settled and assets are distributed to rightful heirs, all governed by Iowa Code Chapter 633.
So, when is probate actually required in Iowa? It is usually needed if you die owning property solely in your own name.
But many assets bypass probate entirely. Jointly owned real estate, bank accounts with payable on death beneficiaries, living trusts, and life insurance policies transfer directly to your heirs. Iowa offers 3 options: small estate affidavits under $50,000, simplified probate under $200,000, and regular probate. Remember, Iowa requires a lawyer for probate forms. Iowa probate is easier with the right guidance. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. For personalized help, contact a local attorney today. Thanks for watching.